Here at Solar Tech Collective, we are very excited about our solar PV ground fault troubleshooting class. Thanks for taking a minute to let us show you what it's all about. Well, I've been in the industry for a long time, and I can honestly say I wish this training had been available years and years ago. It provides a comprehensive approach to diagnosing, locating, troubleshooting, and repairing ground faults, focusing on commercial and utility scale systems, but it's really applicable to all types of PV systems. And we think that you're going to emerge as a much better technician as a result of this course.
You'll learn how to troubleshoot and locate DC ground faults on various central and string inverter system configurations. And most importantly, how to do it safely and effectively, because there are a lot of ways to do it wrong.
Course modules consist of very short videos, typically 3 to 5 minutes, interspersed with field videos like the one you can see playing on the screen. We know it's important that it's not just talking heads and PowerPoints. You need to see the tools in action in the field. When a ground fault occurs, it's not just a nuisance that can bring energy production to a screeching halt. It's a serious safety hazard that can lead to fires, damaged equipment, or even electrocution. The risks are real. This course is designed to bring you the information you need to safely and effectively respond to ground faults. I'm Rebecca Wren. As a team, we have over 50 years of combined experience in solar and energy storage.
I'm Alex Job. That combined experience, it covers all PV and storage project types and sizes.
And I'm Brian Mahalik. We've been delivering O&M training since 2011. Hope to catch you online sometime soon.